This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable full screen mode on the Floorp web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I am on the Floorp web browser now. To enable full screen mode, if you're using a Windows PC machine like I'm using right here, you can hit the F11 key to take you into full screen mode. If you hit the F11 key again, it takes you out of the full screen mode. If you're on a Mac, you would have to search how to do it on a Mac. This is for Windows. A second way to do it, you want to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Zoom. And off to the far right of Zoom, you see these arrows here. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says display the window in full screen. It also tells you the keyboard shortcut is F11. I'm going to click on those arrows. It takes me into full screen mode. Now to get out of full screen mode, I could either hit the F11 key or I could move my mouse cursor all the way up to the top of the window here. And you can see the interface comes back down. Then I'm going to go off to these boxes up here. I'm going to click on these little boxes here, and it gets me out of full screen mode. That is how to enable full screen mode on the Floorp web browser. Thanks for watching.